Hello everyone, welcome to Keto Living. So today I have a recipe that I just totally created, made up in my head. I was wanting some chicken, and I wanted some salami, and I wanted some mozzarella cheese, and it's some Italian seasons and stuff, so I just put it all together. I'm not even sure what to call it yet, but we're just going to call them chicken roll-ups. So, yeah, that's what we're doing today for Keto Living. And I wanted to share with you something. If you see this big old sloppy t-shirt I have on, well, this t-shirt here was tight on me last March. So I've had this t-shirt for a year. I got it at the Scottish Games that I hosted in Myrtle Beach. And so, yeah. So I'm really thrilled at the way that I've been losing the inches and stuff. And so I feel like I'm just very happy with our keto diet. And you know, it's not really a diet, it's a lifestyle now, because I eat this way 99.5% of the time. 0.5% of the time I don't eat that way. I cheat once in a while. So without further ado, let me get in and show you what we do. And so I'm going to put you on pause so I can put you down so I don't make you drunk. Okay guys, so what I've done here is put a piece of plastic wrap down, and I've been fighting with plastic wrap. So yeah. So I'm going to put that down. And I am using Perfect Portions by Purdue Chicken. There are antibiotic-free, no preservative, all vegetarian diet. So I really like these. When I can get them on sale, I pick them up. And these were on sale. So basically, I love how they're put together. You just pull them apart. And then I'm just going to flip that out onto the saran wrap so I don't have to put my hands on it. There we go. And then I'm going to take a paper towel and put over it right quick and get some of the wetness off of it. And pick it up so that I don't touch that. Alright. So then we're going to cover it up with another piece of saran wrap. And this is where you get your aggression out for the day. Now you want to pick one that's relatively thick, because you're going to be pounding it. So we're just going to pound it. Boy, is that fun. You can just give your chicken a pounding. Okay, so once we get this about as thin as possible. Sorry guys, I thought I was through. Wipe this end a little bit. Once you get about as thin as possible, remove, well, little booger keeps growing on me. Remove the top plastic off of it. And leave it on the plastic so you're not touching it. Now, if you were to do this without plastic, you would have torn your chicken up. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is just salt and pepper it. And I use pink Himalayan sea salt. And just coarse brown pepper. Then I'm going to sprinkle some herbs on it. I'm going to use just a pinch of basil. I'm going to use some parsley. And I'm going to use some oregano. I love oregano. I love the smell. But I'm not going to put it back in the jar. Okay. So then what we're going to do is take some salami, which I love salami. And we're just going to lay that on top. Just using a couple of slices. Because the chicken is almost fat-free, but I want to make sure I get my fat in there. Salami has fat. Then we're going to take some mozzarella cheese. Now, if you know me, you know that I usually buy my cheese in blocks, whether I'm shredding it or slicing it, because when you buy pre-sliced or pre-shredded cheese, they add potato starch to keep it from sticking together, and that adds carbs and just stuff that you really don't want to put in your body. Sometimes they use cellulose, which is nothing but wood. So I'm just putting some mozzarella cheese here on top. And then all I'm going to do is take my plastic wrap and I'm going to start folding it over. And I'm going to hold this up so it doesn't all slide off of it. Okay. Then I'm going to bring my baking tray over here. Now, I've already did one of these just so to save on a little time. Okay, I'm going to have to touch it to slide it off. Let me give my hands a quick rinse with soap so we don't contaminate ourselves. Shh. But, you know, it's kind of funny growing up. We never had proper etiquette handling our chicken, and somehow we made it through. We never got sick. Then I'm going to take the whole piece of Parmesan cheese. Now, this is almost done. About what's left is the rind, except for this little bit on the bottom. But when you're finished your Parmesan cheese, do not throw the rind away. Because if you throw the rind away, you are throwing away so much flavor. The rind has flavor, and what I save it for, I actually put them in a freezer bag, and I freeze the rinds, and then when I'm making soup, I throw it in the soup. It gives it a nice smoky flavor, and it feels like that you've been cooking soup all day. So you can kind of get away with that quick soup recipe, but it tastes like it's been cooking all day just from throwing the Parmesan cheese rind in it. Okay, so we're going to pop these in an oven that's preheated at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Maybe a few minutes longer since they're rolled up. And then when we get done, I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, we are out of the oven. And this is what it looks like. And it smells incredible. And all this gooey cheese on the bottom. So I'm just going to plate this up. I made one for now, one for lunch tomorrow. And I'm just going to eat this with some green beans, which are a vegetable that we're allowed to have on keto diet. And so I wish you had smell-o-vision because this is incredible. And it needs probably to sit for a few more minutes before I cut it open, or should sit for a few minutes before I cut it open. But let me get this out of the way and get a fork, and I will try it out for you. So, I'm going to cut down through here. And see all this yumminess inside here? Oh man, that looks so good. I'm just going to take a little bite off the end of it. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. So I guess it's kind of an Italian style of chicken cordon bleu, but without the blue. It's chicken salami mozz. Anyway, it's really good. I got my mouth full here. It was also really hot. Anyway, give it a try. Quick and simple and easy to do. Don't forget to send me ideas below in the comment box if you would like to see certain things turned into a keto-friendly meal. And don't forget, I'll be to check out my other channel, my keto journey, and I'll be doing some vlogging over there shortly. And so, yeah. So I hope you like it. I hope you'll give it a try. And if this is your first time viewing my channel, please make sure you go over to the little Eiffel Tower icon up here in the corner and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you tap the bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to give me your suggestions, and I hope that you will enjoy my Italian chicken. All right. Thanks so much for joining, and I will see you all soon. Bye.